Hello guys, welcome to Nova Energy. I'm Hannah. Today I will take you on a tour on our dynamic new energy storage powerhouse. Although Nova Energy is a new brand founded in 2022, our pedigree is quite something. We're the newest member of Zhuhai Pilot Technology family. You might have heard of Pilot Technology. They've been deeply involved in the energy sector for over 20 years, providing one-stop smart energy and dual carbon solutions, including consulting, system integration, and O&M services. Nova Energy will place big bet on the new energy megatrends, specifically supercharged new energy storage track, incubated to do great things. Look, let's head inside. Our core mission revolves around the big energy loop of generation, grid, load, storage. We R&D and manufacture advanced energy storage systems and smart energy management systems. Simply put, it's all about using and storing energy more efficiently and safely. Look at this big guy. It's our star products, the commercial and industrial all-in-one energy storage system. The capacity for these energy storage cabinets are 261 kWh, 418 kWh, and 833 kWh. And the real giant is this 5 MWh unit, equivalent to storing 5,000 kWh. Perfect for large factories or campuses. We've also developed customized solutions for different applications. For energy storage, safety is absolutely paramount. The battery cells we used are all top-tier, China-made, energy storage grade LFP, inherently very safe. But that's not enough. We've implemented multi-layer system-level protection. Let me highlight the key features. Our battery packs offer advanced liquid cooling or air cooling, thermal management system, like a smart air conditioner for batteries. They precisely control temperatures 24/7, ensuring optimal operation, longer lifespan, and enhanced safety. Equipped with our fully self-developed BMS, featuring high-efficiency active balancing plus AI health monitoring. This ensures every single cell charges or discharges in perfect sync, provides real-time online health diagnostics, and predicts potential faults. The result? Significantly boosts system capacity fade resistance. Simply put, the batteries last longer, degrade slower, helping you store more power and earn more money throughout their entire life cycle. We've built a 3-level fire protection system, from the cell level at the core to the module level and up to the entire system level. It's a layer upon layer of defense. If any anomaly arises, it's detected and handled instantly, nipping risk in the bud. The entire system achieves C3 protection ratings. What does it mean? Superior corrosion resistance, like wind, sun, rain, or any corrosive industrial atmosphere. Our aimer stands strong to ensuring high performance. Powered by our fully self-developed AI plus energy management system. This acts as an intelligent brain of the integrated generation, grid, load, storage, cell system, expertly navigating complex scenarios. Even more convenient, using our mobile app to view and manage anytime and anywhere, to boosting O&M efficiently. Great products require strong manufacturing muscles. Follow me this way. We now currently have 3 main production lines, and we have 2 dedicated workshops over 3,000 square meters just for the energy storage production. Plenty of rooms. Currently, our annual production capacity is 500 MWh of energy storage system. That's no small scale. We are now building a massive new energy production base in Wuhan. Once completed, our output will lead up to 5 GWh. That's 10 times of our current output. The future is bright. So yes, while Nova Energy is young, our goal is crystal clear. Every kilowatt-hour storage we provide is a building block of greener and smarter energy future. So now I believe you'll have a deeper understanding of Nova Energy. I'm Hannah. We will see you next time.